Hello, this is Seema, and I am a Reiki Grandmaster, a healer, and today I am going to talk about how to make a wish box. Wish box is a tool which is used in Reiki to fulfill all our worldly desires which we want to achieve in life with our positive energy of Reiki. We have so many desires, so many wishes to fulfill, and if we will start healing one by one, it will be difficult for us to heal each and every desire. So wish box is a place where we can keep all the wishes and we can heal in just 20 minutes. It can, as I've told you, it can heal your physical, emotional, spiritual, financial, mental. It can heal your family issues, it can heal your professional issues, it can heal all your issues. So Reiki box, wish box is a box where we keep our wishes and we heal it. Now let's understand what kind of boxes we should be using in it. It should be of earth energy, it should be of wood, it can be of stone. But if you don't get all these boxes, then we can take plastic where there is no air and there is no light and it is not visible, the slips are not visible, which we have kept inside. And the best healing box could be shaping of pyramid, because pyramid is such a box where we can amplify our healing and we can get better results. And for making slips, we can take yellow piece of paper and red pen to write our wishes in it. And the wishes should be written in affirmation like, I am already healed, or I am already cured, or I have already achieved 95-96% marks in the exams. We should not write like this that I might achieve or my headache is gone. No, I am completely healed. Because when we talk about stress and negativity, then the energy gets stuck on the negative word and then the results are not there. So we can make wish box and we can write wishes there in affirmations, and then we have to make symbols over there. A second degree channel people can make symbols over there, around, inside, outside the wishes. And you can also keep a slip underneath or paste it underneath the box so that the wishes are healed. The symbols work for it. Now we can call Reiki and we can clear the aura. There is a particular method of clearing the aura of the wish box and the chits so that there is no negativity around. And for just 20 minutes every day we can put or set alarm, and for 20 minutes we can give healing to the box so that our wishes are accomplished. The wish box should be kept in a place where nobody touches, nobody sees, nobody is allowed to touch it except for you. You can keep it in a puja place or in your bag or in your cupboard or anywhere, wherever it is safe. And on another piece of paper, you should be writing in numbers, that slip number 1 is about certain wish, so that you also remember what you have written there. And before you start healing, you can just keep that paper in front of you, and when you start giving healing, so that you can just recall the healings you are giving there. And when your healing is done, you can remove that slip and burn it on the gas burner. It's such a powerful method, and you can also put crystal over there inside that, so that because it's it can only be done by third degree people, third degree channels. They can keep crystal in it so that the healing is amplified. And if you are doing for a particular purpose or a particular disease, then they have the knowledge of which crystal should be used in the wish box. We can use it. You will find it is amazing tool. It is like, I'll tell you, in a pyramid, if you keep apple for 20 years saying that it is safe, it will be safe there. Only the juices will be dried, but the apple will not get soggy or something, it will not get rancid. So it is very important to use wish box to fulfill all your desires of the world, because it is only tool which will make you happy if you want to, and it will fulfill your and complete your life. If you are not understanding it, please you can comment in my comment box. Contact me about how to do about it, and I'll be there to guide you. A request to you, please subscribe the channel, like and share, as more people will be benefited if we share the things. Life is about sharing, caring. So if you share, you care about other person. Thank you. You were listening to Seema. Bye-bye.